What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I'm gonna start this video by talking a little bit about the Mustang. We still have the Mustang, so I still have it. The car hasn't been on the street or the track since March of 2020. That's when we went to Texas 2K. The car did awesome there. I'll put a video here.
Here goes Mustang. Here comes the caddy. Mustang looking for about an 8.0 run at 8:30, 164.
That was our fastest pass, 8:30 at 160 something. We had issues with back pressure, intercooler temps. It was pretty bad. It was pretty crazy. I think it was like 240 degrees inlet temp. Even though we had I'm not gonna say the company, but we had an aftermarket intercooler in there. The On3 was actually doing better than that one, but we decided to move forward and just start doing other stuff with the car. So we moved to a Holley. First, actually, we moved to a BL Fabrication single kit, a 94mm force reduction turbo, and yeah, the BL Fabrications kit and the Holley. And the car actually never ran with that kit. I'm gonna post a picture here. So that's how the car looked with the BL Fabrications kit, but it actually never ran. Mainly due to because I decided to open my own shop after I got out of the military. So basically we just put a lot of effort and focus into the shop, into our business to make it successful. And you know, the car kind of sat on the side, unfortunately, but you know, that's a priority kind of thing. So we kept moving forward, and I decided to sell the kit because Sai Lee, the owner of Lee Tuning and Racing, I was selling the kit that was on his personal car, so I bought that kit from him, and I hooked up, I would say like 60% of the wiring for the Holley, and I took the BL Fabrications kit out and I shipped the car, or I took the car down to Tampa, where his shop is at, or Clearwater, something like that. Anyway, so I took the car down to him, and he has the car now as of June or July 21st. The car runs. It needs a couple little things here and there, like the brakes need to be installed completely. I mean, the brake lines and all that stuff, because I took that stuff out because of the BL Fabrications kit. Anyways, so I'm a little salty that I didn't finish the car myself. That bothers me a little bit, but I could not pick a better group of guys to finish the car for me, so I could put more focus in the business. And thanks to that, we've actually grown a lot for the location that we have. I think we do pretty good, and so it's been a win-win situation, I think. And I know I'll learn a lot about the car and about the things that were done to the car while I was not down there. So yeah, I wanted to start the video by talking a little bit about the car. The car is going to be getting picked up in less than a month. I would say within 15 days, the car will be back in Kansas, and we are gonna try our best to take it to Street Car Takeover in Tulsa. We're also gonna be very, very likely bringing the Fox body to do some 8th mile, no time stuff. We are obviously gonna be learning that car a lot. That car is, as of right now, absolutely not competitive on 8th mile, but we want to learn the car and we want to start making strides to make it competitive. So that's what it takes. That's what we're going to do. As of right now, I'll show you guys here in a second the things that we're doing to the car. Nothing too crazy. It's just kind of like his fun project, and we're obviously very happy and proud to help him out. But yeah, that's it. Enjoy the video. Well, guys, you see what the mailman dropped off? You can see it right there, huh? Yeah. Well, let's see how Jacob reacts to his new Nitrous Kit. Next to this for his Fox body.
We have surprise. Surprise, Mustang.
We gotta go fast. Oh, I got it. What's this? Can I open it? I'm opening it.
That's why he's gonna use the Gap Sally.
Mustang Sally? That'll go, I'd say.
That one right there. Bodega. See what he does.
Yeah. Oh my god. A cardboard roll.
Just make sure you got everything in there though. You know how shipping shit is
Dude,
right
hurry
now.
up, man. Like Christmas and shit. Breaking up the little thing all slow.
I'm real careful with my stuff. Yep. You don't want to break it. Not yet.
Get all the jets. Man, you can check on that later. Check on that later. Let me see that bottle. Yeah.
You ain't gonna need a jet, brother.
I don't know what you think this is, but
You ain't using no jet.
that's a big bottle.
Good job, Vincent. Any questions? You just spray it on it.
How many passes can you get on that?
10 minutes. Depends on the shot.
Yeah, a good amount. So I see that you're gonna need a fitting.
I'm pretty sure we have a fitting.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. All right, so we are finishing this car on the dyno. 1994 Mustang GT, 4.6 liter, 6 valve, and let's see how Jacob does with the camera work.
Oh, whoa. That thing runs pretty good. Loud as all get out, but looks good.
Tuner giving us the beat boots.
Just as loud on B-cell as acceleration. It does look good though. What do you think, boss?
Another day of white owl. Yeah, the man works too. He don't just order us around like slaves. All new springs for the 370.
Yeah. Sauce cams only. Let's see how it goes. Big difference, huh?
Big difference.
Yeah. You went from what, 355s to 410s, right?
410s.
Yeah.
Big jump.
Hey, I want to see this thing on a slick in the night. A little bit 75 shot in a slick. You should start setting up suspension.
Shoot, do a burnout and it didn't do too bad there.
You had a little bit of brake noise, I think.
Yeah, I heard it up in the front.
Yeah.
I think there's probably some dust in it.
Yeah.
I'll check it.
What do you think, Mario?
Power glide boys.
Hey, it's gonna be 1 power glide, 2 power glide, 3 power glide.
No power glide.
TH400, yeah. You need a TH400 though, your car's heavy. So. You excited then?
Hell yeah, man.
Y'all
Yeah.
need that 8-speed dual clutch. That's what y'all need.
The what?
The 8-speed dual clutch,
I
baby.
want those
Bottle, baby.
Let's see what the boss is doing. Hey, so what are you doing?
Okay. Figuring out the state taxes.
Yeah.
I just think about very important things and don't talk about them out loud.
Like when are we gonna build a GTR?
Yeah, like that. That's like on my list. That's like down here right now.
That's messed up. I'll start writing it down up here. But you got this shelf here. Oh my
Put the
god.
goodies up on the wall.
Yeah.
No,
The only 2 things I got so far.
ain't got no.
Hopefully we fill these things up in the next years, right?
Yep. Yeah, we got these really cool seats that you can literally take a full on nap in. That's like really scary. I think it's gonna.
I think it'll hold.
I don't trust it.
Just lay back all the way. Let go. Come on.
I don't trust it.
Where she has AC, only her.
Yes.
And then she made a little waiting room with a little casting couch here. There's another casting couch over there. But anyways, wanna say bye?
Bye.
We got it inside, and Jacob here found out that we were right. He was 180 out. 180 out. There was a big old flame coming out of here. So he's gonna take that stuff apart, degree it, make sure that it's good to go, and then after that we should be good to put on the dyno and see how many 297 horsepower he makes.
Gotta button up a few vacuum leaks here and there.
Oh yeah, it has a couple vacuum leaks and stuff like that, but nothing too crazy.
Having so many headaches, frowning all the time.
So what happened, Jacob? We're done here timing it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Easy peasy. There's just 180 out.
Can't really tell, but we're doing now, torquing down the rocker arms.
Got to button up a few things here and there, and then should be ready to make noise. This thing's gonna be loud.
It's open header.
Open. This thing's gonna be real loud.
So Michael got another BMW to work on. This one has a thermostat issue with the wiring. And I guess he has a bad trunk seal. I guess it's a common problem, you say?
Yeah, really common actually.
And what happens?
So the drain clogs when it gets water in it, and then boom, welcome to SeaWorld, bitch.
Man,
And
that is actually pretty bad.
Yeah, and it'll fry. So BMW's beautiful engineers designed a positive terminal underneath the battery compartment, so if it gets water in it, goodbye computer.
Nice.
All the fun stuff.
And what is this?
So 335i. Same car as mine, just with 4 doors.
Also, another slow car. Hi, thanks, bud.
Is that